Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a video to talk about Smartstrand carpet, and in particular, how is Smartstrand carpet made? So before I get into that, I do want to tell you a little bit about our website, BestRugPrices.com, and what you're looking at is the front page of our floor and decor blog, and as you can probably imagine, what we write about is floor covering. And the reason I'm doing this video, is that we just published a recent blog article about Smartstrand carpet, in particular, a cleaning guide and some other useful information, as well as talking about how Smartstrand carpet is made and some other interesting facts. And I would really encourage you to check out our article. Depending on where you're watching this video, I'll put the link to the article in the description box, and I certainly encourage you to check it out. So I'm going to switch over now to the Mohawk website page. Mohawk is one of the leading manufacturers of carpet in the country, and they make Smartstrand carpet. So Smartstrand carpet is available in just about every store in the country. It's one of the most popular carpets on the planet, really. And the purpose of this video is really to make people aware of all the information that you need to know before you purchase this carpet. It's a very durable carpet made with triexta fibers, and on the website here from Mohawk, it goes into great detail about the carpet, the warranty, the cleaning procedures, and all that. And so I'm not going to go into great detail in this video about how this product is made. Rather, what I would encourage you to do is go to the link to our blog article in the description box of this video, and we talk all about it. We have a wealth of information in the article, all kind of videos and reference points, and really one of the key things that you need to know about this product before you purchase it is the cleaning procedures and some of the things that you're going to be required to do in order to maintain the warranty. So it really is a good read, and quite frankly, most of the stores won't tell you about this stuff. They're more interested in selling you the carpet, and they're not going to sit down with you and tell you that you got to buy a new vacuum cleaner in order to maintain the warranty. And there's a lot of information that a lot of stores just are gonna not overlook it, and it could be that you get a new salesperson that doesn't know this information, or again, stores are interested in selling carpets, so they're not going to tell you information that may take away from that. So go to our article and check out the information before you buy this carpet, and then that way you have all the information and you can make your own decision. We're at BestRugPrices.com, and the link to this article will be in the description of this video. Thank you.